I'm going to show you how to give out an $11,000 course for free to build monthly reoccurring affiliate commissions. This is perfect if you're a complete beginner looking to get started into affiliate marketing, and it's going to help you make money by simply giving out a course for free. Let's get into it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you different methods to give out this $11,000 course for free. One of these methods is extremely easy and you can get started in minutes without having to purchase anything. And the other method is a little bit more advanced, but it allows you to build your email list. Now, before I show you how this all works, I did a live video the other day showing you how we're giving away this $11,000 course. Now, if you want to know exactly what that course entails, you can go look at this video right here. But essentially what it was, it's a course called Freedom University, where we show people how to start an agency using local businesses. Now, this is the course itself, and there's a ton of videos and modules showing you how to build your own business using this agency model. Basically, finding local businesses and installing this simple software, and they're going to pay you $500 to $1,000 a month. Again, if you want a step-by-step of how this course works, you can check out that video where I go extremely into depth. But the purpose of this video is I want to show you how you can give out this course for free. That way you can build your email list, and more importantly, how you can build up your monthly reoccurring revenue. All right, so let's start with method number one. Okay, so this is a very simple method. All we're going to do is we're going to send people to a link that gives them access to this free course. Okay, now the course itself is teaching them how they can make $500 to $1,000 a month building agency, basically finding local businesses and installing this software, which takes 5 minutes, and they make money. Okay, so that's the course that you're gonna offer. Okay, the only way they get access to this free course is if they become a Funnel Freedom member. Okay, now if you've never heard of Funnel Freedom, it's essentially a software. Okay, so we're gonna say Funnel Freedom, and when they become a member, a paying member of Funnel Freedom, which it can be anywhere from $97 to $197 a month, you get paid 40% commissions. Okay, so you as the affiliate, you get 40% commissions. Okay, now the cool thing is that you don't have to send people to the software. You actually send people to this link. Okay, and I'm going to show you what this link looks like, but I just wanted to go over the high level overview of what this looks like. Now let me show you the page that you would give away and how you can get access to it. All right, so this is the page that you're going to send people. Okay, so we're going to call this page number one. Okay, that way we can kind of keep track of what these pages are. Okay, so we're going to say the free course link. Okay, we're going to call this page number one. Okay, now what happens here is when somebody wants to get access to this course, they enter their name and email here. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see that it's asking for a name and email. Okay, now what happens here is now this person is now coded to you as a Funnel Freedom affiliate. Okay, meaning even if they haven't bought yet, when they do buy, whether it's a week later or years later, you are still going to get the commission. Okay, but I'm going to come back to that in just a second. What happens here is they opt in, right? They enter their email address here. Then it goes to this page where I show them why they should get this free course. Okay, again, if you want to check out how the free course works, you can go check out Freedom University. But essentially for you as the affiliate, the way they can get this course for free is if they become a Funnel Freedom member. Okay, so what's really cool here is if I click on this, okay, it now goes to Funnel Freedom. But the cool thing is they can only get to this page if they enter their email. So they're already coded to you. So when they become a member of Funnel Freedom, which again, this is going to be anywhere between $97 and $197 a month, when they become a member, they get access to Freedom University for free, again, which is over here. Okay, so for you, what you need to think about is how can you give out this course that teaches them how they can make $500 to $1,000 per month, okay? And that's, as you can see, this is kind of what we're leading with here. This is how you can earn $685 per month in just 10 minutes without quitting your day job. And here's how local businesses are begging for this service, okay? Now, this is exactly how you can, one, build up your email list, and two, build up your monthly reoccurring commissions, okay? Because all you're doing essentially is you're sending people to get a free course, okay? Now, this method is extremely simple. I'm gonna show you another method where you can build up your email list and you can control what's going on. But right here, all you're doing is sending to that link, okay? But real quick, I wanna show you how you can sign up for free to promote this link, okay? All right, so if you go to affiliates.funnelfreedom.io, you can actually sign up for a free affiliate account, okay? So as you can see, all you enter is your first name, your email, and your password. If you already have an affiliate account with Funnel Freedom, you can simply log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in and show you where to get that link. All right, so now I'm in the back office of Funnel Freedom. So I wanna show you how you can get access now to this link here, okay? This is the link that we wanna send people, okay? So the way you get access to that is inside of your affiliate dashboard. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna look for Freedom University, okay? Now, as you can see, if you go ahead and click on this link, this is your affiliate link, okay? So what we're doing is when you send people here, it now codes them to your Funnel Freedom affiliate link. What does that mean? So essentially what that means is when someone enters their email here and then they become a member of Funnel Freedom, you now get the commission. Again, 40% of what they're paying every single month, okay? Now, the cool thing is we made it super simple. All you have to do is copy this link here and send people to this link, okay? Now, the cool thing is it's very simple. You could just start sending people here. The only downside is you're not building your own email list. So I'm gonna show you that in method number 2. But if you wanna get access to promote this link and become an affiliate for free, I'm gonna leave a link down below to become an affiliate for Funnel Freedom. Again, you could also go to affiliates.funnelfreedom.io and that'll take you to sign up to get access to this link. All right, so now I want to show you method number 2. Now, this is the method that I prefer. It takes a little bit longer to set up, but the cool thing is that you're actually doing something really important, which I talk about in my Leave Your 9-to-5 challenge and hundreds of my YouTube videos. But this is by building your email list. This is, in my opinion, the most important thing for your affiliate and online business in general. But the thing that you'll notice here is you're sending people to our affiliate link, okay? So we're actually getting the emails, okay? But it does make it easier for people on method number 1. The only thing is you're not building your emails, right? And again, that's the long-term way to build your business, which I'm gonna tell you every single time you need to build your email list, okay? So method number 2 requires you to build your own opt-in page, okay? Meaning you own this page, okay? This is the page that you own. It's on your domain. It's on your website because you're now getting the emails, okay? The way this works now is you're gonna have your own opt-in page. And what I'll show you how to do is how you can copy this exact same page, but this is now your page, okay? So the way it works now is from this page, it's now gonna redirect to an affiliate link. In this case, the video sales letter or the VSL, okay? So we're gonna say this is now the affiliate link, okay? So we're gonna say affiliate link. And when someone goes here, it's going to look like something like this. It's essentially sending to the same pages, but now you are now collecting the emails, okay? So whereas before you were sending people to our version of this page, but now your version in method number 2, you're now building the email list, okay? So that's the only difference between method number 1 and method number 2. And then the same thing happens here when someone becomes a Funnel Freedom member. They get access to the free course as you promised right here. And that's it. You get paid a commission every single month, okay? Now, I want to show you how you can copy our pages right here for the opt-in page, okay? So this is going to be really cool. We've been doing this for our users, and I want to show you how you can get access. Now, I want to show you how you can access this exact same funnel, again, the same funnel that I'm showing you here to build your own email list, okay? So inside of Funnel Freedom, if you are a Funnel Freedom user and a Funnel Freedom member, you can actually go to where it says Sites. Under Sites, you're going to click on New Funnel here. And under new funnel, you're gonna go to from templates and hit continue. And then you're gonna search for Freedom University. You'll see Freedom University lead magnet funnel. Okay, so you could click on this right here, and this is gonna go ahead and import the funnel. Okay, this is gonna go ahead and add this funnel to your Funnel Freedom account. And as you can see, the funnel is now in my Funnel Freedom account. Now, once the funnel is in your account, all you have to do now is when someone enters their name, their email, all you do is redirect them to the VSL page. Okay, so again, remember this graphic here. You now have access to this page, which is this one right here. And then you need to send them to the affiliate link for the VSL page. Okay, so the way that works is, again, going back to affiliates.funnelfreedom.io, scrolling down, and instead of using this link right here, you're now going to use the VSL link. Okay, this link is only if you want to use a method number 1 where you can send people straight here. Okay, now you actually own this funnel here, so you're building your email list. Okay, so all you have to do is now send them to this link, which if I click on this, you'll notice it goes right to the page. Okay, and this has your affiliate link. It's all tracked back to you. Again, anytime someone goes through here, it's now all tracked. Okay, so very, very cool, and allows you to build your email list. Okay, and again, very, very simple. You don't actually want to send them to the VSL. You want to redirect them from your opt-in page to the VSL affiliate link. Okay, which again, I want to reiterate that it's going to be this link here. Okay, so again, a little bit more setup for method number 2, but it allows you to now build your own email list. And it's very powerful because now you can control what's going on and you can see all the stats, which I love as an affiliate. So I hope you're excited for this brand new way to build your affiliate business, whether it's method number 1 or method number 2. I'm just curious, which method are you going to start out with? Let me know down in the comments. Is it method number 1 or method number 2? I'm just curious where people are going to start, and whatever method you choose, you're still going to make money when you drive people to that link. So let me know down below which method it is, and I'll leave some instructions in the description if you want to learn how to become an affiliate, which I mentioned earlier in this video. That being said, we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.